Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by crafting a deck that lets Mother Witch shine. Slot her with reliable swarm bait and 2 splash attackers so her lifetime conversions matter. Once done, balance tempo with 1 or 2 fast cycle cards and 2 utility answers to spells. Make sure average elixir stays around 3, 4, 4, 2 to allow proactive deployment. You want Mother Witch alive near pushes, not exposed alone. Position your win condition behind a tank and reserve spells for clearing threats. You now focus on mid-game execution. Play Mother Witch behind a tank or at the river to force opponents into awkward trades while she converts defeated troops. Once she starts spawning pigs, use your splash attackers to capitalize on converted units and pile chip damage. Make sure to bait out direct damage spells before committing heavy pushes and rotate efficiently so you maintain pressure without overcommitting. This creates repeated value rounds where conversions snowball into tower damage. You finish by ramping pressure into double elixir. Pair Mother Witch with a tank and spell follow-ups to force poor responses and convert any cleared troops. If the opponent uses heavy spells to shut you down, pivot to split pushing or baiting those spells with small units, then punish with your core combo. Make sure to reposition Mother Witch when she's targeted and hold small spells for predicted clears. Troubleshooting tip: if conversions die quickly, delay deployment until you can protect her for at least 1 trade cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.